The Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam is a technological marvel that brings a new dimension to vehicle safety and monitoring. With its triple-channel capability, including a front, inside, and rear camera, this dash cam offers an impressive 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera, and 160 degrees rear camera, providing an all-encompassing view of your surroundings. As a satisfied user of the Vantrue N4, I am thrilled to share my experience with this cutting-edge device. Coverage beyond compare. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N4 is its ability to capture high-quality video simultaneously from 3 different angles. The 155 degrees front camera captures the road ahead in crystal clear 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail is recorded accurately. The 165 degrees inside camera monitors the interior of the vehicle, a feature particularly valuable for ride-sharing services or ensuring the safety of passengers. The 160 degrees rear camera acts as an extra set of eyes, capturing any incidents occurring behind your vehicle. High-resolution clarity and night vision. Equipped with dual 1440p front cameras and a 1080p rear camera, the Vantrue N4 captures video with exceptional clarity. Whether it's during the day or night, the infrared night vision technology ensures that even in low-light conditions, the recorded footage remains sharp and clear. Advanced parking mode and durability. The 24-hour parking mode of the Vantrue N4 adds an extra layer of protection when your vehicle is parked. The dash cam uses motion detection and G-sensor technology to start recording automatically when any movement or impact is detected, giving you peace of mind even when you're not around. Furthermore, the heat-resistant design and integration of a supercapacitor contribute to the dash cam's exceptional durability. Warranty and customer satisfaction. The inclusion of an 18-month warranty speaks volumes about Vantrue's confidence in the quality and performance of the N4 dash cam. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident, and this warranty adds an extra layer of assurance for potential buyers. The Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam is more than just a dashboard camera, it's a comprehensive safety solution that offers unmatched coverage and protection for drivers. As a proud owner of the Vantrue N4, I can confidently recommend this dash cam to all drivers who prioritize safety, security, and a technologically advanced driving companion. With the N4 in place, you can drive with confidence, knowing that every angle of your journey is being meticulously recorded and monitored.